Hi there, I'm Priscilla, a local resident studying at RMIT. I found my home here at UGO University Square and Berkeley Street. It's a fantastic place with stunning city views. Plus, it's super convenient, close to shops, restaurants, public transport, and just a short walk to Melbourne's top universities, including the University of Melbourne and RMIT. But before we dive into the local spots, let's take a quick tour inside UGO University Square and Berkeley Street. Come along.
I'm Jasbir from India. As an international student, I love living in a comfortable studio at University Square. I have my very own totally self-contained space with a private bathroom, a double bed, a fully equipped kitchen with integrated appliances and loads of storage. What's even better is that whether you're staying at UGO Berkeley Street or UGO University Square, you have access to common areas and facilities of both properties. And the best part, they're just across the road from each other. It's super convenient and feels like having the best of both worlds.
I share an apartment with other students, but I still have my private space. It's my ultimate chill zone. When I'm not hitting the books, you'll find us hanging out in the cinema room, hitting the gym, having epic game room battles, cooking up a storm in the communal kitchen, or getting some extra work done in the study spaces. And the best part, UGO's Live Your Best Life events, from movie nights to yoga classes, to painting sessions and even outdoor activities like watching an AFL game live. Everything's free and an awesome way to meet new mates. It's all about making unforgettable memories during your study abroad journey.